Hello everyone, welcome back to Craft Journey. In this video, I'm going to make a easy flower pop-up greeting card. To make this greeting card, you will need color A4, glue, a scissor, compass and a protector. Draw circles with radius of 7 cm, 5.5 cm and 1.5 cm respectively. I have taken normal color A4s here. You can match colors for the flower as you like. Now, cut petals taking the two outer circles as a guide, and also we need to remove the middle circle. For the next set of petals, I'm going to draw circles with radius of 6 cm, 5 cm and 1.5 cm respectively. And here we need to remove a section of 35 degrees. Now we can cut the petals referring to outer circles, as in the previous set. Here we are not removing the middle section fully, we have to keep a small section to glue. Okay, for the third set of petals, I'm going to draw circles with radius of 5 cm, 4 cm and 1.5 cm respectively. Remove a section of 75 degrees and repeat the previous steps. For the fourth set, draw circles with radius of 3.5 cm, 2.5 cm and 1.5 cm respectively, and remove a section of 160 degrees and then repeat the previous steps. For the final set, draw circles with 3 cm, 2 cm and 1.5 cm, and here take a section of 140 degrees. Now glue them all together. Now we can finish our card. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos.